大家好，我是欧比王，上课喽。
Vocabulary class.
Now we are going to learn this word. It is pronounced as 六. Let's see how to write this word. 六. This word is consisted of 4 strokes. It means 6. The 6th. Let's review the pronunciation of the rhythm of the 4 tones. When there are 3 phonetic notations, the lower 2 phonetic notations are combined and pronounced first. E, O, yo. Next, let's combine the top phonetic notation with the 2 phonetic notations below. L, yo, liu, liu. Next, let's combine the tone with the notation. Liu, 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 liu. This word is the 4th tone, so it should be liu.
The origin of this word.
There are many theories about the origin of words. We only take the ones that are easier to understand. In order to avoid using strokes, the ancient pronunciation of hut and 6 are similar, so we borrowed the glyph of hut to be 6. Its original meaning is thatched hut, like a shack with a simple structure. Liu. The structure of a hut is 4 walls plus 2 roofs. You can also remember it this way: the total is 6. There are some slight changes later, but the concept of a thatched hut is still maintained. Liu. It looked like this in bronze inscriptions. Liu. It looked like this in silk manuscript. Liu. It looked like this in bamboo slip. Liu. It looked like this in clerical script. Liu. That's the origin of this word.
The meaning of this word.
It means 6. The 6th. When we are counting numbers, it means 6.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
When it is in ranking, it means the 6th.
第6,
The 6th.
6年级.
The 6th grade.
Word in daily life.
月,
It means moon, month.
个,
This is a unit word. It is used in counting single item.
1月, 2月, 3月, 4月, 5月, 6月, 1个月, 2个月, 3个月, 4个月, 5个月, 6个月.
This is Chinese lunar calendar. Chinese New Year, when to sow, birth, funeral, all major life events. We will study the lunar calendar before making decision. What month is this page in? Finally, let us appreciate the works of famous calligraphers in history. Which one is your favorite? That's it for today. Remember to download and print the PDF file for writing practice, or download the JPG file to practice on your mobile phone. Ciao.